Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to recover a Clash Royale account without Supercell ID or phone. Right, so once you're done, you have to just go to supercell.com. This is official website here. On the top right, somewhere you will get this option of support. So just go and click on support. Now select the game. So for example, we are looking for Clash Royale. So we will click on this. Now here you have to go and click on contact form. Right now here click on continue without login. If you have an ID, I'm sure you will not have an ID, but if you have, then you can just go and click on here. Now click on here, something else. Now here you have to enter the player tag, your account name, email address, and you have to explain your message very carefully, and make sure you create your message very nicely and explain the problem. And once you're done, click on I'm not home human and click on submit. Within the next 24 to 48 hours working days, you will get this option. You will get a reply from Supercell support through the email address which I have entered here. Right, and this is how you can do it, and it's really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.